You just received your new Stonewood vanity or accessory and noticed the doors require some readjustments. This quick tutorial will guide you on the various adjustments for better door alignment. Prior to shipping, Stonewood vanities go through a thorough quality inspection, which includes adjusting the doors for proper alignment and closure. During transit and installation, doors may become misaligned and require some adjustment. Fortunately, you can easily make these adjustments yourself in a matter of minutes with the help of a Phillips screwdriver. There are 3 cam screws located on each hinge. Each one performs a specific movement. Cam screw number 1 adjusts the door height. Cam screw number 2 adjusts the gap between the door and the face frame. Cam screw number 3 adjusts the space between the doors. These cam screws have a half turn of adjustment and should not be rotated beyond that to avoid damage. To adjust the height of a door, rotate the cam screw to raise or lower the hinge. As you turn the cam screw, you will see the door move up or down. Stop when it reaches the desired height. Both the top and bottom hinge should be adjusted evenly. To adjust the gap between the door and the face frame, rotate the cam screw to tighten or loosen the gap. After each adjustment, close the door and tap the affected corner to ensure that the clear silicone bumpers are in contact with the face frame while the door is in the closed position. If so, this adjustment is complete. To adjust the space between the doors, rotate the cam screw on the affected hinge to fix the tilt. Once again, close the door after each adjustment to assess the new position. The soft close feature on the hinges can also be easily adjusted by gently sliding the tab away from the center of the hinge until it clicks. We hope you found this video helpful in guiding you through your installation. For more product tips and installation videos, please visit our website www.stonewoodbath.com.